Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sync Google Drive for desktop in your computer. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application in my desktop and have logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Well, to simply sync from desktop to your Google Drive, you do not have to do much. It syncs automatically all the folders that you have linked to Google Drive. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Well, this right here is a folder that I have set for syncing. In case I add anything to this folder, it will automatically sync to my Google Drive. I'm going to add something to this folder right now. And as you can see, once you've copied something into the folder, it automatically syncs to Google Drive. I'm gonna show you guys the folder as well. I uploaded this picture in this folder and it automatically synced to the Google Drive. And you can stop the syncing. At the top right, you will see a gear-like icon. Click on it. And from here, you can simply pause syncing by clicking on this button. And guys, that is it. That is how you sync Google Drive with desktop. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this too, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.